My name is Ryan Roberts. I'm the lead assembly tech here at Janus Motorcycles. I started here in the summer of 2016 as an intern. I did pinstriping for a few months and then I went to assembly full-time. The first thing I do is look at the production schedule. They'll tell me which customer is in line next. I'll pull the build sheet and they'll tell me what I need to pull from the supermarket. And I come out here and I'll put a bike on the stand. So my goal here every day is to put a bare frame onto the stand and have it fully assembled and ready for test riding by the end of the day.